How to redeem Under Armour gift card online. Open up a preferred browser on your PC or your mobile device, it is up to you. Now heading straight to the process, you have to go ahead and search for www.underarmour.com and give it a search. So you should land here in this web page. At the top you will see the option of gift card number and gift card pin. Just go ahead and enter a 16-digit and 8-digit, then tap on View Balance. This is the first way. Now the second process is to go ahead and shop a little. So for an example, I've headed to the women's section. Now I'm just checking new arrivals. So you can go ahead and check out on your own. Then let's go ahead and tap on this bag option. Once we tap on this bag option, it will display us a size. So make sure to select a size, then tap on Add a Bag. In your checkout section, you should find an option of Apply Promo Code. You have to tap on it. Then enter your promo code right here, then tap on Apply. Then tap on Checkout. You have to continue with your payment and you will see some of the discount using your promo code. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.